AI is growing fast, and many people are asking this question: should we still learn React in the AI era? Will AI replace front-end developers, or is React still worth learning in 2026? So, in this video, let's talk about the reality. We'll discuss some main content. First one is AI can generate code. The first point is AI can generate code. Yes, AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Cloud AI and Cursor can generate React code. They can create some components, layout, form, even small applications. But real world development is much more than generating code. Companies still need developers for applications architecture, API integrations, authentications, debugging, performance optimization, state management, and scalability. And AI cannot fully handle all of this alone. So, next point is React is still demanded. React is still one of the most popular front-end library in the world. Big companies like Meta, Netflix, Uber, Instagram still use React heavily. Most modern web applications are built using React. So clearly, that is not going anywhere anytime soon. AI, next point is AI will help developers, not replace them. The future is not AI versus developers. The future is developers using AI. A React developer who knows how to use AI tool will work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. AI is becoming a powerful assistant, not a complete replacement. Right? So, what should beginners do? If you are a beginner, you should absolutely learn React, but do not learn React alone. Learn React, JavaScript, problem solving, and AI tools together. That combination will extremely powerful in the coming years. So, last one is the smart strategy in 2026. The smartest developers in 2026 will not be the ones coding everything manually. They will be the ones who know how to build with React and how to use AI to increase productivity. Strong conclusion. So yes, learning React in the AI era is still 100% worth it, but now the game has changed. Learn React plus AI tools, because AI would not replace React developers. Developers using AI will replace developers who don't. So, what do you think about the future of React and AI? Comments your opinion below and subscribe for more web development and AI content. Thank you so much.